What's one move in bed that makes a man go crazy every time?
Oh,
that
you
do?
gotta give.
Speaking English or Spanish? Or Spanish. Whoever moves first.